Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this heart shape for hood on Dress to Impress. So I didn't use any VIP items. Get this for hat and color it whatever color you want. I colored mine black. Position the Y to 0.39, Z 0.4, rotate the X to 0.58 and scale it to 0.83. Then I use this halo for the fur part in pink, but again you can color it to whatever color you want. Position the Y to 0.61, Z to 1, rotate the X to 0.34 and scale it to 0.68. For making it look like a heart shape, I did use the vanilla maze code. So grab this head scarf, I don't know what it is, and color it black. Well, color whatever you want, match the hood part and then match the second one to the fur part and toggle it to the no pattern one. Position the Y to 0.54 and the Z as well. Rotate the X to 0.45 and scale it to 0.48. You can stop there, but if you want to add the ears and the bow, I used the bunny ears. And then for the adjustments, position the Y to 0.22, Z 0.7, rotate the X to 0.45 and scale it to 0.68. For the bow, I use this one from Codes, I think. This one. And position the X to 0.52, Y 0.54, Z 0.33, rotate the X to 0.42, Y 0.54, and Z to 0.45 and scale it to 0.26. And that is how you can create this really cute heart-shaped hoodie. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.